How to use Centerfy AI for business. So first, we want to do understanding Centerfy's capabilities. So AI-powered CRM acts as an AI-driven CRM that centralizes customer interactions and automates heavy tasks. Then you want to start with the omnichannel communication. So that handles the automation and the follow-ups and responses across multiple channels, including SMS, email, and social media, and web chat as well. Then you want to know how to do AI voice agents. So Centerfy features AI-powered agents that can handle inbound and outbound calls, qualify leads, book appointments, and provide customer support. Then you want to do e-commerce focus. So offers specific solutions for e-commerce, such as automating cart abandonment emails and providing 24/7 customer support. Then you want to do high-level integrations with AI softwares. Then you want to identify the business's use cases. So for lead generation and nurturing, you want to follow up potential customers and keep them engaged. Then you want to have customer service automation for answering frequently asked questions. Then you want to have sales recovery to implement automated cart, emails, and follow-up sequences. Then for appointment settings to automate the process of qualifying leads and scheduling appointments. Then lastly is implementing Centerfy AI. So book a demo, which is the first step to book a free demo through Centerfy's official website. Then you want to leverage the AI voice and chatbots to handle initial customer interactions and support. Then you want to utilize the automation workflows by setting up automated follow-up sequences for leads, customers, and cards. Then you want to integrate existing platforms like ensuring make sure the CRM like high level for a seamless workflow across. Then lastly is to monitor and optimize the AI automations.